What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and we got some news for you today as the very first TRXs have rolled off the line, and evidently Mr. Tim Kaniskis himself and a bunch of other high-end executives were there to see the first black truck, which I'm going to show you here in a minute, that rolled off the line. Gotta be honest, I really kind of like the new badging and that special SRT tag that they put on it. But we're very close to another announcement for Ram. That's what I'm hearing anyway, that we should be getting another major announcement here soon. We're going to get into all of that and more right after this. Guys, before we get into the video, I gotta talk about the giveaways. We got that Valentine special right now. We will announce it Valentine Day night. 5 individual winners that process an order over at tk'sgarage.bigcartel.com on either the charity truck or the Ram 2500 Power Wagon. Whichever one that you get in on, you will have an opportunity to get one of those 150,000 extra entries. Not to mention, the extra entries are boosted between now and the day after Valentine's Day. I believe we said we were running it till Sunday at noon, and Valentine's Day is what? Saturday? So we're going a little bit past Valentine's Day. Sunday at noon is when that will cut off, and we go back to just normal entries until we end the giveaway. So if you're wanting the best chance to get in there and get a ton of entries, that's how you do it. tk'sgarage.bigcartel.com. Anyways, let's get into the video. So at the time you guys are seeing this video, I'm probably traveling. I'm probably already on the road. But I got this content up for you guys so you guys won't miss anything. I have so much stuff in the pipeline that I could talk about or publish that I can make videos for probably a week. But I digress. I'll probably have videos when we're on the road, so stay tuned. But I want to talk a little bit about this. So I got some photos in, and evidently this thing rolled off the line today. Now you guys are probably seeing it the next day, because it's probably the first video from when I'm traveling. But this thing, man, it looks good, and you can definitely, to updated badging, it definitely looks different than the older one in terms of the logos, the badging, and whatever. So let's get to that. So this here, you can see there's the first 2 that came off the line. One was black with red accents. The next one was white. Looks absolutely awesome, especially that TRX logo, right? I love how they have like the raptor in the logo, not just the letters TRX like the previous generation. I think it's awesome. I really do. I think it is awesome. This says a Duncan drive-thru. Where is this? Oh, they do have it. What? I haven't seen this before. There's a new Duncan, so anytime I go there, you know, my Boston's gonna come out 1,000. Hold on, I'll show you. So talking normally, everything is fine, and then, you know, you roll up to the window.
Good morning, what can I get for you today?
Yeah, can I get an extra large coffee with cream and sugar?
Anything else for you?
Can I get the bacon jam grilled cheese sandwich too?
Bacon jam, grilled cheese, and a large iced coffee, cream and sugar.
No, not ice, hot.
Large hot coffee, cream and sugar. Extra large.
Extra large, please.
All right, anything else for you today?
No, that's it.
All right, have yourself a window.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See, I told you, it never fails. You go to Duncan and the Boston immediately comes out. I don't know what it is. It just happens. No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna get killed for that one. Anybody else see the Goodwill Duncan thing from the Super Bowl? I thought that was epic. All right, so back to the photos. Let's get back to the what you guys are actually here for. Not. Don't worry, the Boston will fall away as I start driving. I promise. Oh, look at this beautiful little 1 Series right here. God, I'm liking that car more and more. I literally just want to find like a little 135, you know, like, or something that has a little bit of power to it, man. Or just get one that's nothing and put a B58 in it. And oh my God, that thing would be a monster. Anyways. Yeah, that'll work. Anyway, so as you can see in the photos, while I'm over here making a complete ass of myself, you can see the images here. I like it. I like the way it looks. If they're starting to roll off the line today, it means you probably can expect to be able to purchase one here in the next probably 30 to 60 days. It really just depends. Like the dealers that are up there in Michigan are probably going to, you know, in that area, probably get some first. So they will be available. Somebody will be able to buy one here really soon. I'm sure that first one that rolled off the line ain't going nowhere. That's probably going straight to CTC or wherever museum where they hold all the first one, last one off the line bullshit. I'd like to get one of those in the Challenger though. Just a regular 5.7 that rolled off the line. The last one. I'd love to have it. Stellantis will never sell it to me. Anyways. This is positive news. This is one of the reasons I didn't panic when the stock lost like 30 friggin' %. You know, everybody was like, oh my God, are you freaking out? Are you freaking out? You got to be losing a ton of money. And it was a lot of money. I lost a lot of money on that move with the stock. But I also have to say, like, I know it's not going to stay there. It's going to go back up, you know? And I'm watching it gain 1.5 or 2% every day. You know, I've been watching this week. It just keeps gaining back. So the only time you really lose is when you panic sell, man. So if you just stick with something, you know it's going to be around for a while, it ain't going nowhere, man. We're good. The TRX is coming back. We're going to get Hellcats back this year in the Charger. And we're going to get right back to things being booming. And then we'll have some food stamp cars that will sell and pad the books. We know that. We know they're going to have some cheap pieces of shit that are going to sell. And every car company has to have it, all right? Whether it's the Neon, like it was back in the day. Oh, Neon wasn't a piece of shit. I know I'm going to get flamed in the comments, but you know what I'm saying. I'm not at the age or the level financially where I'm buying the base model shit at the bottom of the company, okay? I'm, you know, above mid, and I could go all the way to the top if I wanted to. The same way, like, people are like, why didn't you keep your Demon? Because I could make money off of it, and now everybody that kept their Demons, unless you're actually driving it every day, feels like ass clowns because they lost a ton of money. That's not what I did, what I wanted to do with it. I was lucky enough to get one right at sticker and make money off it. And I wasn't the only one. I mean, not speaking for OZ Motor, I think he has a video in his membership tab talking about his experience, so why he sold his. So, anyways, I think this is positive news. The TRX is rolling off the line that fast from, you know, the announcement, but this has been in the works for a long time. We knew this. So I'm looking forward to see whatever the new announcement is by Ram this month. It's supposedly happening around Valentine's Day, so let's see. I hope they, I hope they fill my heart with, you know, an SRT street truck with a Hellcat engine. I don't know. That would be awesome. We'll see what happens. And I got some special stuff coming for you guys at the very beginning of March. I can't believe that they brought me back for another event. That's why I fucked up last time. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. But with that said, thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And there will be some drunk antics at Mardi Gras, so pardon my social media. Anyways, as always, stay petty, my friends.